Nurudai. Lakpadai. Namaste.
Namaste.
I'm Laura. Hey Laura. And I'm Anthony Dai. Rinchi. Hello, Dindu Dai. Sanjay. अनि कस्तो लागिरहेछ तपाईलाई लेक वेल्च हो चाहिँ वंगेल यो इभेन्टको कोर्डिनेटर हैन अनि हाम्रो सौम्य दाइ
by introducing all the new people who are here that we don't know each other, so we just want to introduce each other and like interact, and basically so we're going to start with our introductions and then you guys can follow suit, right? But
a minute, you talk to someone for a minute, listen to what they have to say, tell them about yourself, listen to what the other person has to say, and then after a minute you go talk to someone else, talk to someone that you've not spoken to before. So you speak with 3 different people. At the end of it, what we do is we'll invite one of you guys to talk about someone else that you spoke with, right? So let's say I spoke about Dendu, about where he's from, all that stuff. And then after that, Dendu comes up, he speaks about someone that he spoke with. So at the end of it, what happens is the reason we're trying to do this is because we've had our group going on for the past like 4 years, and our group is based on the concept that the more you network, the more you know people, the better it is for you, professionally, career-wise, and maybe even academically. So what start working here. So since then, I'm here.
Like
meaning somewhere.
like money.
So what about you? What are your plans for working? You said you graduated.
Yeah, I just graduated. Yeah, I've been here. It's been almost like 1 month and a half. I'm not sure.
It's nice meeting you.
Salam, right?
Dendu. Okay.
Alright guys, switch. Wait, I want to talk to you. You did? Alright.
Yeah, he's in Boston.
Oh, yeah. Come on. We got another one. Nurdu in the building. Sanu in the building tonight. Come on. Come on. Chomsha.
Yeah, since AVP at JP Morgan, which is quite a big deal.
He's a nurse, right? Registered nurse. He works in the army.
He works in the army.
She just moved here from New Mexico. She graduated from Santa Fe College, Santa Fe High. So she's going to be joining LaGuardia very soon. And we wish you all the very best. Welcome to New York.
Welcome.
Not bad work that here is. They're almost 5 years.
came to the US 2 weeks ago, so he's brand new, fresh, brand spanking new to the US. So let's welcome him. Welcome to the US. Welcome to the US. And we try to explore some options as far as the
Institute of Florida, Colorado. And he's a part-time photographer.
we are in Florida.
He's working in marketing.
Thank
you.
I'm going to introduce Das Sherpa. And he works for, he's a general manager in Yak restaurant, and he finished as
So he's going to give discount cards and then discount.
I forgot the name of the college, sorry.
MB here, Rhode Island.
Rhode Island college. Yeah, and so he's looking to join NSS 50 soon.
Wow.
I'm a NSS member for founder. She's in a third year in Baruch College, and she's looking to do internship so that she can get into the job market. And
Major?
she is doing accounting, and next year she'll be starting to take 400 level classes, and she'll probably start looking for internships. So if you guys know anything around, if your companies are offering internships, let them know and keep in touch with them.
Hello, my name is Nima Sherpa, and I'm with Nima Sherpa. I had a very interesting talk with him. Like he's he's working. He's married. He has one kid.
Well, I'm going to introduce Pasam Sherpa. I mean, I know him a little bit before, but I just kind of reintroduced myself. And he works in the day trader broker, and he wants to earn a lot of money. And he's been here for a long time in the U.S. And his father is my father's friend.
She is doing a lot of research currently as a graduate student. That's very respectable. I respect you a lot for that. What specifically she's researching on is like cell biology and like brain cells.
Yeah, I think that's.
Yeah, neuroscience. So the whole like, complex stuff. It like got me scared.
I'm gonna ask you
Jamling, say that.
Jamling, come on. What did you miss?
I'm attending. She is currently a senior at Hunter College.
He graduated as a nurse and in Maine, and then now you're a nurse in a hospital in Long Island.
Yeah.
And
I'm going to introduce Laura. Laura was born in France, and she's been here for 2 years now. She's currently teaching French in the private school. And she's interested in going to nursing school, so so it's quite interesting. So she wants to work as a nurse and find a job eventually. So I just want to say good luck to you.
yeah, thanks.
So you have to excuse me. So yeah, basically. She's working now. Yeah, she's working as a nurse.
LIJ, right?
LIJ,
Mm-hmm.
Studying international relations. He's also working for fashion industry as well. His spare time. He likes doing that. He also wants to join the army like me. So hopefully in a year's time I'll see him in the army as well. And yeah.
I just finished he's a rapper in Nepal. He also records in America, and you see him on Facebook and other. He's the coordinator for NSSP this year, so please give him a big round of applause. Miss Mingma. She's been an NSSP member for